Hello there, ladies and gentlemen. I just came back from Walmart, so we're going to be reviewing this right here, the HyperTough digital deadbolt. So let's open it up. Okay, so that's how that looks. It's very rough. It's not smooth. Okay, so the administrator code is 1234. 1. Something's wrong. Okay, folks, so let's test this. Okay, folks, so we have reached the end of this review. And this product right here fails the Skywind007 test. It is not something I can recommend. As a matter of fact, I would caution you about this product. It's my opinion that this product is substandard. And the reason is because I've been testing it for a while. I've installed it according to the instructions, and the little motor that it has is kind of weak where it locks. It has to be, everything has to be aligned in your door. So if you have a gasket, and my door has a gasket where you have to kind of push and then spin the lock, this is not going to work out for that, because when you press that button, this thing tries to lock, and in this particular product, when it gets even a little bit of resistance, not a whole lot, but just a little bit, it just gives up and gives you those beeps that it failed to lock. So what happens is that unless you actually have a brand new door and you can align everything perfectly where this meets absolutely no resistance, then that might actually work. But there's even another problem I found with this, that even with the door open and I would press the lock button, it would struggle just to push out that bar. It would go glug 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 glug. Something's wrong. So I kind of give up on this, and I'm sad to say that this product is substandard. It didn't work. And if you can try a different brand, but it just didn't work. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and thumbs up.